This Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer is excellent for sensitive skin. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to restore the barrier. Highly recommended.
Sensitive skin needs more than moisture. It needs barrier support.
This is La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, designed for daily use on all skin types.
The lightweight cream absorbs quickly without clogging pores or feeling greasy.
Use it morning and night for immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. Skin feels smoother, calmer, and more balanced throughout the day. It's fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive, dry, oily, and combination skin.
For reliable daily hydration and barrier repair, details are in the description below.